Salute. Welcome to Wild Country Daily Updates. I have breaking news. This is from AP. Live updates. A passenger jet collides with helicopter while landing at Reagan, Washington National Airport. It goes on to say a passenger jet collided Wednesday with an Army helicopter while landing at Ronald Reagan National Airport near Washington, prompting a large search and rescue operation in the nearby Potomac River. Here's what we know so far. The Federal Aviation Administration said the mid-air collision occurred around 9 p.m. Eastern when a regional jet that had departed from Wichita, Kansas, crashed into a military Black Hawk helicopter while on approach to an airport runway. It goes on to say, there was no immediate word on casualties. A search and rescue effort in the Potomac River is on the way. What do we know about the passenger jet? American Airlines Flight 5342 was inbound to Reagan National at an altitude of about 400 feet and a speed of about 140 miles per hour when it suffered a rapid loss of altitude. The Canadian-made bomb raider CRJ-701 twin-engine jet was manufactured in 2004 and can be configured to carry up to 70 passengers. The FAA extended the closure of Washington Reagan National Airport to at least 5 a.m. Thursday. Air traffic control communication before the crash. This was 2 minutes ago. A few minutes before landing, air traffic controllers asked the arriving commercial jet if it could land on the shorter runway 33, there's that number 33, at Reagan National Airport, and the pilot said they were able. Controllers then cleared the plane to land on runway 33. Flight tracking sites showed the plane adjust its approach to and at the new runway. The crash is serving as a major test for two of the Trump administration's newest agency leaders. Pete Hegseth, sworn in days ago as Defense Secretary, posted on social media that his department was actively monitoring the situation that involved an Army helicopter, and Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy, just sworn in earlier this week, said in a social media post that he was at the FAA headquarters and closely monitoring the situation. American Airlines Flight 5342 was inbound to Reagan National. Oh, okay, I already read that. Okay. So there you have it. There is audio from the air traffic control tower around the time of the crash. A controller is heard asking the helicopter Pat 25, do you have the CRJ in sight, in reference to the passenger aircraft? Tower, did you see that? Another pilot is heard calling seconds after the apparent collision. The tower immediately began diverting other aircraft from Reagan. This isn't the first aircraft in the crash in the Potomac River. The incident recalls the crash of an Air Florida flight that plummeted into the Potomac on January 3rd, 1982, that killed 78 people. That crash was attributed to bad weather. Wow. And then there's photos. Multiple helicopters, including those from the U.S. Park Police and the D.C. Metropolitan Police Department and U.S. military, were flying over the scene of the incident in the Potomac River. D.C. Fire and EMS said on X that fireboats were on the scene. Washington, D.C. police said on the social platform X that multiple agencies are conducting a search and rescue effort in the Potomac River after an aircraft crash. Video from an observation camera at the nearby Kennedy Center shows two sets of lights consistent with aircraft appearing to join in a fireball. It remains under investigation. So yeah, there you guys have it. Prayers to anyone prayers to the families that have loved ones on that plane that may be suffering. Prayers to everybody on that plane. Prayers to the people that were in that helicopter. Hopefully everybody's okay. Until next time, peace out. Hit that like button. Peace out.